Hello there, and thanks for joining me. I'm digital artist Aaron Rutten, and it is my mission to help artists like you enjoy digital art and learn some new skills along the way. Today I'd like to share my new YouTube production schedule with you. Previously, I was posting 5 new videos a week on every day except for Tuesday and Thursday, but I've since changed my production schedule, and this has been based on feedback from a lot of you out there who took the time to comment on my polls that I posted. The feedback that I received indicated that most people were happy with the current posting schedule, but there was a good chunk of people who said I was posting too many videos. So in order to make everybody happy, I've just removed 1 video a week. I also got a lot of feedback about preferring quality over quantity, so I'm going to try to post more quality videos that are the things that you want to see versus some of the other stuff that was just stuff that I wanted to make, like the music playlists and stuff that really doesn't have that much value. So thank you for taking the time to share your feedback. I think that was very helpful. My new posting schedule is going to be 4 new videos a week, and those are going to be posted at 7 a.m. Pacific time on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now, I can't guarantee that there won't be a bonus video thrown in here and there, because that certainly could happen, but for the most part, that's going to be my schedule going forward. I'm excited about this change because that's 1 less video I have to make each week. It is a lot of work to make all of these videos, whether it's 4 videos or 5 videos or 3 videos. It doesn't matter. It takes a lot of time to come up with the ideas, to record the videos, to edit the videos, and all that stuff. So it is quite a bit of work. If you're enjoying all of these free videos that I'm putting out on YouTube, consider going on over to patreon.com/AaronRutten and supporting my channel. You can join me along the way as I create free resources for digital artists, but you can also get special behind-the-scenes content that the general public just doesn't get to see. I'm interested to know what you think of my new production schedule. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you every Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at 7 a.m. Pacific time.